Here is how you can make
Ziti?
From the Sopranos.
I didn't even know what a ziti was. I had to Google it, and it's basically a type of pasta. So it's pretty much a lasagna, but you replace the lasagna sheets with pasta. Ziti.
Let's get a pan on medium heat and add some oil along with ground beef. Season this with whatever you want. I'm using chili powder, salt, and garam masala. Add some onions. I'm gonna add some green Thai chili peppers too, and then a whole bunch of San Marzano tomatoes. Now I chose a pan that was way too small for this job, so I just swapped it out and continued cooking it until it looked like that. Now for the ziti, I'm gonna salt boiling water and cook this just before al dente because I'm gonna finish the cooking process in the oven. At the bottom of a baking dish, add your meat sauce followed by pasta, more meat sauce, mozzarella, ricotta, parmesan, and repeat this until you're at the top. Finish it with black pepper and olive oil and in the oven at 350 for about a half an hour and then broil it until it's nice and golden brown.
It's nice, but would I choose baked ziti over lasagna? I don't know. It's almost the same thing, but I do like... No, I think I'll choose lasagna. I just like the sheets, and then you get a nice clean cut, and everything's nice and even. This, it's not as even, because they're just individual pastas, and it's not always in the same direction. I guess if you're a bit OCD, then you might like lasagna just because it's more even. Other than that, the taste is pretty much the same. I would have to give this a 9.1 out of 10. It's solid.